two little tricks that I want to share with you guys, something that I use here in the shop all of the time that I think a lot of folks probably don't think of. I've been out here building my Nova, and I use these two little tricks to line things up all of the time. This morning, I'm putting the hood pins in the car because I'm not going to have that great big heavy latch mechanism like came on this thing. It's just going to be hood pins. So here I am. I've got my hood pin right here, and I need to know where to drill it into my carbon fiber hood right there, you know, so that it comes through at the right spot. This is where the toothpaste comes in. Take a little dab of toothpaste and put it right there on the end of that thing. Close the hood on down, nice and easy. There we go. Make sure it's set down good. Raise her back up, and sure enough, right there is my dab of toothpaste telling me where that thing is going to contact it. Now, kind of the kicker to this is I can't close the hood all the way right there. So when I mark it, the hood is ever so slightly into an up position, so the location of that hole that I put in that hood is about to change a little bit as that hood comes down the rest of the way. Hence, one of my other favorite tools here in the shop, my daughter's Play-Doh. Take just a ball of Play-Doh right here, and I've got my little hood pin mount right there. It's going to go right in there. I'm just going to take that Play-Doh, take a piece of TIG welding wire. You can use clothes hanger all day long, and I'm going to close that thing down right to where she's supposed to go. You can see I've already drilled, there it is right there, my first little pilot hole. And now I kind of need to know, you know, where this thing is going to contact once the hood closes all the way down. So I'm just going to take my welding wire here, I'm going to put it right inside that little hole and kind of push down and stab it into the Play-Doh just like that. Pull it back up, and then I can see the little hole. Can you see it? I don't know, right there in the Play-Doh. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And that kind of lets you know where exactly that hole that you've currently drilled is going to come through. So what I'm actually going to do is use like, let's see here, I will use a little deburring tool like this to kind of shift that hole off to the side a little bit. And at the end of the day, I feel confident I'll be able to get that hood pin to come through exactly where it's supposed to be, thanks to a little bit of toothpaste and, you know, Play-Doh. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Like and subscribe if you find this stuff handy. You guys have a great Sunday. You know what? Scratch that. There's one other quick thing that I want to show you before I go. So when I'm putting the hood pins on this car, and, you know, I'm going to do the next hood pin over there that I haven't done yet, I feel like the most important, crucial piece of this is making sure that they are exactly aligned from one side to the other. You don't want to be able to look at it and tell that, you know, one hood pin's a little forward of the other, or one's a little bit more inboard than the other. And so there was another tool that I'm using in this that I just wanted to share with you, and my caliper is not one of them. It's really easy to use a caliper to take a measurement from the outside edge of the hood over to the center of the hood pin so that, you know, you can line it up on the other side. But all of a sudden, when you get ready to put that hood pin on this side and you've got to know how forward or rearward to make it, that becomes really difficult because this edge right here is kind of leaning inward. If you have a look, you see what I mean. It's not straight at all, so you're not going to get a straight measurement from there. And if you come back here and you think you're going to measure from the back of the hood, no, you're not. It's curved and not straight in anything. But I did find a cool way to do this. Years ago, I picked up one of these little lasers from Home Depot. These things are for construction, but in terms of building cars, they're the greatest thing in the world because I could set that laser up to where it looked right down the side of that thing. I opened my hood right there just enough. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. I opened up my hood just enough to be able to line up that laser across the mount on the inside, and then I shot it over to where it lined up with the hood pin on the other side. So you can see the little red line right there, how it lines right up with the hood pin. So at the end of the day, that gives me my little crosshatch that you see right there. The red line was from the caliper measurement, and then the little laser line right there tells me exactly where that hood pin has to go so that I get an absolutely congruent, you know, hood pin mount on the car from side to side. So there's three tools that I'm using here on the car for putting hood pins in that have nothing to do with automotive stuff at all, and I just think that's pretty cool. Okay, take two. You all have a great Sunday. Be good.